Hello, this is Satyapriya, MPhil in Mathematics. Today we are going to see the topic as integers. So what is integer? The set of integer consists of zero, positive and negative numbers. That means, the set of numbers. It has been included for the positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. For example, minus 10, 0, 10, 2, this and all called the integers number. An integer number can be written as without fraction numbers, but it should not be in the fraction values. It would be in only for whole numbers that occurring for positive number, negative number and zero. Positive number having plus sign. A number like positive numbers are represented by right side of zero. All positive number greater than 0 and negative number. Next, negative number. Negative number having minus sign, we have to mention the negative sign with the number before, then only we can able to say the negative number. If positive number, the sign should not, that is not must, but the negative number sign is must. Then the number line negative number are represented by left side of 0 and negative number is called additive inverse. And 0 is not a neither positive nor negative. For example, we can say that these numbers, all the numbers without fraction and without decimal numbers, these numbers are called integers. And integers we can able to notate W Z. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Closure under addition. So first, any two integer we have to take a and b and add the number a plus b. Obviously this is also integer. For example, if I am taking for a equal to 5 and b equal to 7, this both also positive number, we can add this number. 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So 12 is also positive number and even it is a integer. So addition of integers gives integers only. So we can say integers are closed under addition. Closure under subtraction. Obviously we have to take a two integer number, subtract then a minus b, that is also obviously integer. A equal to 6 and b equal to 4, then 6 minus 4 equal to 2. We know 2 is an integer number. Computative property. Addition of integers is computative. You have to take any two numbers. If you can add this number, obviously x plus y and y plus x, you are getting for the same number only. For example, if I am taking for x equal to minus 4 and y equal to 3, so minus 4 plus 3 means the sign is different. So we should do in subtraction. First we have to do in subtract. 4 minus 3 equal to 1, and look at the numbers, which is a greater number. 4 is greater number, correspondingly which sign is there, minus is there, then obviously we can make for the minus 1 equal to here y plus x means 3 plus of minus 4. So plus into minus minus, the answer is minus 1. The property is satisfied and minus 1 is also integer. Associative property. So now we have to take x, y, z are three integers. Then x plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z. Obviously, this is also an integer number. Additive identity. When we added 0 to any whole number, we get the same whole number only. So 0 is an additive identity for whole number. Even it is the condition is satisfied for integers also. So x plus 0, 0 plus x, obviously we are getting for x only. If you can add any number along with the 0, you are getting for the same number only. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication of positive and negative integer. When we are multiplying a positive and negative integer, we multiply them as whole numbers and put minus sign before the product. So we have to consider two integers, a into minus b, or else minus a into b. You have to multiply a into b, and before that if we want to make a sign in minus before the product. For example, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5. So 3 into 5 equal to 15, but plus into minus equal to minus. So answer is minus 15. Multiplication of two negative numbers. Here we are taking for two negative numbers. A and B are two integers, minus A and minus B. Multiply of them, and what we have to do now means A into B and minus into minus become plus. For example, A equal to minus 2 and B equal to minus 6. So minus 2 into minus 6 equal to, the answer is plus 12. Remember this, when we are multiplying for two negative, the answer would be in positive. When we are multiplying in one negative, the answer would be in minus. Multiplying of 3 or more negative values. If a number is negative integer, if the product is even, then the product is positive integer. For example, we can say that what A equal to minus 2, B equal to 5 and C equal to minus 4. Multiply of them here, 2 minus is there, so the answer is become for positive number. How I am saying means the positive number, the power number is like the product is even, the number of negative integer is occurring in even times means the answer would be in positive. Odd time is the answer become for negative. If the negative number of negative integer is product is odd, then the product of negative integer. Properties of multiplication integers. Closure, obviously the closure property will be satisfied under the multiplication, and commutative property, commutative multiplication is an integer only. Any integer have to take A into minus B or else minus B into A. We are getting for minus of A into B only. Associative property also satisfied under the addition or multiplication. Multiplicative identity. One is a multiplicative identity of integer. For any integer, you have to multiply for 1, you are getting for the same answer only. So A into 1, 1 into A, the answer is become A. Distributive property, we have to take in 3 integers A, B, C, then the distributive multiplication under over addition and subtraction. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. Division of integers. When we divide a negative number by a positive integer, we divide them as a whole number, then put minus sign before the quotient. For example, minus 25 divided by 5. So minus 25 is a negative number and 5 is a positive number. So we have to divide the number 5, 5, 25. The answer is 5, and the put before the sign is minus sign. When we divide a positive integer by negative integer, we divide them a whole number, and similar we can make a minus sign before the quotient. When we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we get for positive integer. For example, minus A by minus B equal to A by B, and B is not equal to 0. We have to say any examples also. Minus 99 by minus 11 equal to minus minus get cancel 11. 11 one time, 11 9 times, the answer will be 9. So now today we have discussed about for integers and properties of integers everyone. So thank you for watching for crazy problem to easy solution.